everyone, I'm Rishika Sen, the product manager for Recruit AI. Today I want to introduce you to Sahara. Sahara is a talent acquisition manager at a high growth mid-size tech startup. Every time she opens a new role, she gets hit with a massive volume of resumes. She's completely drowning in PDFs. This creates high decision fatigue and incredibly slow time to hire just for the initial screening phase and a poor experience for candidates who end up ghosted due to backlogs. Traditional tracking systems are just digital filing cabinets. They are system of records, but this massive HR tech market is shifting. Growing companies don't just want to store resumes, they want the administrative work done for them. That's why we built Recruit AI. It's a system of action. We use Agentic AI to ingest unstructured document, strictly reason through a candidate's experience against a job description, and automatically take action by scheduling interview or sending tailored rejection. Our architecture is built for both speed and trust. The front end is a sleek enterprise-grade React web app built with Livable, and backend is a fully automated end-to-end agent workflow powered by Google Gemini. By automating this loop, we project a drastically lower time to screen and high ROI for companies looking to multiply their output. Let's jump into web app so I can show you exactly how it works. Alright, let's step into Sarah's shoes. Imagine you have just logged into the Recruit AI web app to check on a new job posting. Notice how clean and focused this dashboard is. Early on, we decided against using a chatbot interface because recruiters need fast, scannable data, not a conversation. If we look here, in the center, you can see a fresh batch of resumes that the system has already processed for us. Let's look at the top candidate, Sajal. The AI doesn't just give us a mysterious black box rating, it gives us a very high match score alongside a brief targeted summary explaining exactly how he is a strong fit based on our job description. Because his score is so high, the system has already taken action. Now look right below at our next candidate, Rishika. The AI determined she has a lower moderate match score. So instead of auto-inviting her or rejecting her, the system smartly flagged her for human review, giving me the confirm interview button. It does the heavy lifting but keeps the human in the loop for borderline cases. Now you might be wondering, how does the app actually do this in the background? Let me take you behind the scene into our visual workflow. As a product manager, choosing a visual node-based backend was a deliberate choice. It prevents hidden bugs and lets us clearly map the business logic. Watch how the data flows here. First, this webhook catches the incoming resume. Next, it hits our dedicated document extraction node because parsing complex PDFs is difficult. Then it flows right here into our Gemini AI agent. We use a highly constrained structured output parser that forces the AI to act as a strict recruiter. Finally, based on whether the score is high or low, the workflow branches off right here. It dynamically drafts a contextual email via Gmail and generates a Google Calendar invite entirely on its own. You can see here our Google Calendar. And also, the resume data are stored in the spreadsheet. Well, building this workflow taught us a lot. Early on, our AI prompts were too conversational, which broke our web apps tables, forcing a strict data schema solved this web. We also learned that providing that human in the loop button for moderate score is critical for building users' trust during the MVP phase. Ultimately, Recruit AI isn't just a tech demo, it is a highly specialized tool designed to solve a massive operational bottleneck, taking candidate screening time from several days down to mere moments. Thank you for watching.